Well, hello, my mad scrappers. I'm back again with a bonus tip Tuesday because I just discovered something. And maybe I am the dingleberry of the century. I know, this is no news. This should be a given. But I have open here YouTube because overnight, obviously, they posted a ton of videos on and they do it both by the hour and then certain segments. So there are segments that I actually want. I don't necessarily need the hours, but the segments, depending on the stuff I've ordered, things I'm interested in. And usually what I do is I open up the video and then go in through the save it. Well, guess what I discovered today? There is a shortcut to doing this. So I thought I would share this to you because, again, I may be the only dingleberry that doesn't know this or didn't know this. So let's say that you've created a playlist already based on my last email for HSN Craft Day, and you've bought things or you want to buy things or you saw, oh, that looks like a really cool card. Let me save this for future reference. Then you can do so. So let me select this most recent video because it just happens to be an item I already ordered. Now you see it when you highlight it. You can see the name right here. You can see my face and my face. Oh, good Lord. The little hand with the little finger. And to the right, you see these three little buttons. Okay, the little dots. If you click on the dot and you go down, look. From right there, you can save this video to a playlist. So you don't have to now open the video, which would open up another window, and then to go through all the steps that I just showed you in the prior video I did. Now you can just click on Save to Playlist. It's going to open up your list of playlists. You will now click, in my case, it's HSN Craft Day. And by the way, guys, I forgot to do this last night, but now I have made this list public. So if you don't want to go through this rigmarole and you just want to find craft day videos, you can go through and go into my channel, go into my playlist, and you can find these, okay? I'm more than happy. I always keep them. So, there you go. It's my good deed for the day. You're welcome. But once you click that box, it is now saved to this folder. I now close out the X and I'm done. And to double check it, you can just go ahead and save the playlist again. And there it is. It already shows up as saved. And know this, anytime you save anything to a playlist, it moves that playlist to the top of the list so that it makes it easier for you to save things. So now let's go to, let's see, what's the next one? Make a Wish. Okay, because I did not order the enamel dots or the storage binder, but I did order the Make a Wish stamp and die and stencil set. So again, let's click on those three dots. I go to Save to Playlist. It opens it up. There's my playlist at the top again. I mark the box, close it, and there we go. Easy peasy Japanesey. I don't know. Is that maybe maybe that's not politically correct to say, but I'm saying it anyway. So there you go, guys. That is just another quickie bonus tip Tuesday for you so that you know how to do this fast. So you just have to go. I mean, you can. And one thing I didn't tell you, and I should have from the get-go, to look up any one channel, you just go to the very top. So I'm going to go to my regular page. Let me show that to you very, very quickly. So this is my regular homepage, which shows you all the stuff that ever comes up on me. All I have to do in this case, and I'll do it again. I just look up HSN, or you can do HSN TV. So HSN TV. It will now bring you to the channel. That's what I want, because HSN has two channels, HSN TV and then HSN live stream. That's not going to help you. But if you want to see it live stream, then go ahead and select here. Let me show you. Let me back up a minute. So if you just search HSN, this is what you're going to see. HSN TV and HSN live stream. If you select live stream, it's just going to show you live
about using a
what's
light
going
green
on right
after we
now
just
on the
used a
TV.
dark green on that last
So
one.
you can have
but
that.
You can see
but for my purposes, I don't
take...
want that necessarily because I have it on TV, or I just happen to have it muted right now. What I want is HSN TV. Now I go in there and then I select the videos. And that takes you back to where we were just a couple of minutes ago, okay? So now you have that. So hopefully now you can go in and save, and this is true for any channel that people that you follow. You can go and look at and download and save videos to playlists rather than having to go search for a specific video. Hopefully this helps you and you learned something new. If you did, give me a thumbs up, okay? That helps me with algorithms. And if you want, drop me a note, a comment, and if you want to see more of my madness and more of these little thingies, then by all means subscribe and ring that bell. and that will tell you when I'm back on YouTube, because this Mad Scrapper always has some madness to share. So I'll be back. Meanwhile, I'm going to let you go so that I can go back to work and to my YouTubing and everything else, and I'll let you guys go back to crafting or your YouTubing. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget, we're all a little mad here. So come craft the madness with me, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.